Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make the easiest and fastest garlic butter biscuits you've ever made. There's no rolling out dough, everything can be mixed in one bowl. First, heat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius. To a bowl, add all-purpose flour. In this little bowl, I have salt, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and garlic powder. Add that to the flour, whisk it, and set aside. For the liquid, I'm using buttermilk. If you can't get buttermilk, pour milk into a cup and add a splash of vinegar. Let it sit for 10 minutes and that's a good substitute for buttermilk. This is very cold butter that I just took out of the fridge. Cut it into small pieces like this, thinner than cubes. Put all of the butter in and rub the pieces into the flour with your fingers. There should be pieces of butter left. It shouldn't be completely incorporated. This takes a minute and a half. Now add the buttermilk and mix with a fork. It needs a little bit more. Use a spoon or your hands to mix in any flour on the bottom. That took just a minute, so you can make this dough in under 3 minutes. To bake the biscuits, I'm using a cast iron pan. You can use any baking pan. I'll grease the bottom with butter. Use an ice cream scoop so the biscuits are the same size. I've scooped 9 medium-sized biscuits. Last time I made 7 heaping scoops and the biscuits were large, so you can do either. Any leftover dough, just pinch off and put on top. Now they're ready to go in the heated oven. Cook for 13 to 15 minutes depending on your oven. Whatever pan you're using, make sure the biscuits are closer together so they'll have soft sides. While the biscuits are baking, make the garlic butter. All we need is butter, finely chopped garlic, and flat leaf parsley. You can substitute dried parsley if you don't have fresh. Heat up a small pan on low heat, melt the butter, add the garlic, and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the garlic is soft and just about to turn golden. Add salt if you use unsalted butter. Make sure to keep the heat really low or the garlic will burn. While the garlic's cooking, chop the parsley. The garlic is done and just about to turn color. Add the parsley and mix. The biscuits are done. The tops have a few golden spots. I didn't brush any butter on them before baking, so they're light in color. And this is how they should look. Now brush the garlic butter mixture all over the biscuits. They're so soft and fluffy. The garlic butter smell is just too much. I have to eat one right away. These are best served hot out of the oven. By the way, this cast iron pan will hold heat for a while. So if you're cooking something else and it's not ready, leave these in the pan off the heat and they'll stay warm. You can even serve the biscuits right from this pan. It looks really pretty like a flower. The bottom is the perfect golden color. I'm just squeezing it so you can see how fluffy it is. They're so buttery and garlicky without being heavy. The dough came together in 3 minutes in one bowl. No rolling, no messy counters, and less than 15 minutes in the oven. You absolutely have to make this. It looks impressive, like you spent a long time baking, but you really didn't. My family requests these over and over again, and I hope you enjoy these as well. If you want to get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe for more tasty recipes and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.